battalion from Italy supplies a lot of leather machinery, and I believe now you're collaborating on violin. So please.
As the Honorable, good afternoon. As the Honorable Minister just told you, West Bengal and Italy have a very strong collaboration in leather and tanners. A lot of people from West Bengal, they go to Italy, they purchase Italian machinery. But I believe there are other sectors we can look at, and I think of food processing and renewable energies. And I believe this kind of event, which will attract the attention of West Bengal to the investors of Italy and the world, will be very important. So we will try to focus on those sectors, food processing, renewable energy. Of course, as you know, Italy has a lot of knowledge and know-how about the restoration. And I believe the city of Kolkata and West Bengal also is a sector we could look for a further cooperation between Italy and West Bengal. Thank you.
Here we also have representatives of the Chinese Consulate General. I think Consulate General is not in town, and you have kindly come. Thank you, and you have given your assurance that we will participate. You also spoke of Yunnan province along with Kunming. So there is an effort already. Kunming governor was here, so we're very happy with that. I will request our honorary consuls, I think from TCS, Tata Consulting Service, co-chair of the IT committee was present. Mr. Bakshi, would you say a word?
Good afternoon. I think this is a fantastic meeting and an event organized by the Honorable Chief Minister. This is the first of its kind in West Bengal that I have seen ever in my stay in West Bengal for the last 35 years. And I think this platform has been an excellent platform where we have been able to bring all the honorary consulates together to actually promote West Bengal, and the event that is being planned for the 7th and 8th of January is an excellent event which is an excellent canvas for us to portray what West Bengal can do for the world and basically push and grow West Bengal in the industrial sector. Thank you so much.
No questions, please, right now. I'll request Mr. Harsh Nevotia as Consul General of Israel, Honorary Consul of Israel, and of course, co-chair of the Hospitality and Tourism sector, to say a few words.
আমি নিজে অবাক হলাম, কারণ প্রায় 60-70 জন অনারি কনসাল আমাদের হয়েছে স্টেটে, এবং সবাই এসেছিলেন আজকে, এবং সবাই এসিওরেন্স দিয়েছে যে এই বিশ্ব বঙ্গ সম্মেলন যেটা আমরা করতে যাচ্ছি তাতে হেল্প করবেন, তার নিজের কান্ট্রিদের কথা বলে, এবং আমরা খুব উৎসাহিত যে এই ধরনের একটা প্রকল্প নেওয়া হচ্ছে। আমরা সবাই চেষ্টা করব আন্তর্জাতিক এবং বাইরে থেকে যতটুকু সম্ভব বাইরে থেকে লোক আনা এই প্রোগ্রামে, এবং ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গলে যে ইন্ডাস্ট্রি ইনভেস্টমেন্ট পোটেনশিয়াল আছে সেটাকে সামনে তুলে ধরা।
থ্যাংক ইউ। আই থিঙ্ক আমাদের মালয়েশিয়ার অ্যাম্বাসেডর বিরাট টিম নিয়েছে, মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর সঙ্গে দেখা করেছিলেন, আমাদের অনারারি কনসাল ফ্রম মালয়েশিয়া। আমি ওকে বলবো, আপনারা সবাই চেনেন, আসুন স্যার।
Thank you, sir. Very good afternoon, friends. As they say, consul generals are the ears and eyes of their respective governments. So today's meeting was very, very important. All the consul generals based in Kolkata and their colleagues, along with the honorary consuls who attended this meeting, I think it was very important to know about what West Bengal has already achieved, because sometimes the various sectors and various initiatives taken by the Honorable Chief Minister along with our Honorable Industry Minister, that was needed to be showcased. And I think within 10-15 days, as Honorable CM has already announced, invitation letters to all the ambassadors to invite along with their delegations, and also their ministers will be sent, and it will send a very positive signal that we mean business and now we are working backwards. So today's meeting was very, very important and very significant.
I think a big thing that you said there is that Malaysia has set up a one-point interaction under your help, so that a senior person from Malaysia is collaborating with Dr. Gupta and it's already they've started working on it.
Yes, sir. Actually, after the visit of the Honorable High Commissioner, very immediately, then he sent a message and he said that from our side, he has already advised Ms. Aida Safiniaz Alias, that is Minister Economic Counselor. So, who is a very senior lady, and she is already in touch with Dr. Krishna Gupta from our side, and this is a one single innovative point, because until unless we have point of contact, then naturally things go away. So, I'm very happy that the collaboration has already started. Thank you.
I'm thankful to Mr. Budhia that already the process has started. The first meeting has taken place, and I happened to be in that building. I said hello to the senior person there. So, would you like to say one word on the Czech collaboration? Mr. Utsav Parekh, all of you know him perhaps.
Good afternoon. On behalf of the Czech Republic, আমরা যখন মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর সঙ্গে গেছিলাম সিঙ্গাপুর, তখন তিনি বলেছিলেন যে as the honorary council you should bring the business from the respective country that you represent. And আমি খুব খুশি হচ্ছি যে I represent the Czech Republic, and immediately একটা cultural exchange program আরম্ভ হয়েছে 18ই সেপ্টেম্বরে কলকাতাতে His Excellency the Governor of West Bengal is inaugurating an exhibition of paintings called Czech Castles. আর তারপরেই on the 2nd and 3rd of November একটা বড় important business delegation কে এখানে নিয়ে আসা হচ্ছে। তারা এখানকার বিজনেসম্যান এন্ড গভর্নমেন্টের সঙ্গে ডিসকাশন করবে যে কিভাবে চেক বিজনেস ও চেক ইনভেস্টমেন্ট এখানে আসতে হবে। তো আমি এটাই বলতে পারি যে আন্ডার দ্য গাইডেন্স অফ আমার মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী, West Bengal is poised to look forward and grow.
Thank you very much, Utsav bhai. I think Nayantara Pal Chaudhary as the last input. We need a gender balance as well. Uni hocchen Norway Honorary Consul. So I request her to Scandinavian deshgulo, Sweden, Denmark, Norway, tara bhayankar technologically advanced এবং তাদের per capita income is also very high এবং তাদের পরিপ্রেক্ষিতে আমাদের বুঝতে হবে।
নমস্কার, আজকে আমরা এখানে ফিনল্যান্ডের অনারি কনসুল আছেন এবং সুইডেনেরও আছেন। অমিতা যেটা বললেন, ফিনল্যান্ড আছেন মিস্টার সতীশ কাপুর, আর সুইডেনের রণজিৎ নোভিস। আজকের ইন্টারঅ্যাক্টিভ সেশনটা খুবই ভালো হলো। এই প্রথম আমাদের অনারি কনসালদের ডাকা হলো এবং তাতে আমরাও খুব এনকারেজড। দুদিনের যে প্রোগ্রামটা প্ল্যান করা হয়েছে খুবই ভালো, এবং স্পেশালি যেটা 8টা সেক্টর ধরে আমাদের ডে 2তে খুব সিরিয়াস ইন্টারাকশন হবে। আমরা সকলে আমাদের রেসপেক্টিভ কান্ট্রিজ, আমি যেরকম নরওয়েকে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করি, আমরা ডেলিগেশন আনতে চেষ্টা করব, এবং আমাদের যে চেম্বার্স অফ কমার্স আছে, যেরকম আমাদের নরওয়ে ইন্ডিয়া চেম্বার অফ কমার্স একটা আছে, তাদের থেকেও আমরা প্রতিনিধিদের রিপ্রেজেন্টেটিভদের আনতে চেষ্টা করব। তাছাড়া কালচারাল ইভেন্টস তো হবেই, এবং আমরাও নানাভাবে আমাদের পশ্চিমবঙ্গ সরকারকে হেল্প করব হাউ টু শোকেস বেঙ্গল and show the potential of West Bengal. Namaskar.
Namaskar. I think the last word from Nokia, all of us use Nokia. Nokia is from Finland. Finland and Honorary Council, last word.
This event that has been organized today has been really remarkable. The Chief Minister has taken personal initiative and has invited all of us. We've been very enthused and encouraged. Finland is very good for paper. They're good for reinstating old heritage buildings. They keep the facade the same as original and renovate it completely inside. Nokia, of course, as you know, is a Finnish company. They are the ones who are pioneers in bringing in mobile phones into this country. I'm going to prevail upon my ambassador and through him to request the Finnish companies to come and participate in this forthcoming event on 8th and 9th of January. Thank you.
অনেক ধন্যবাদ, আপনারা একটু এই জিনিসগুলো ক্যারি করবেন। থ্যাংক ইউ।